Today we will demonstrate the problems that may occur when replacing the front camera of the E4PM model. When the camera movie effect mode is turned on, the screen freezes when switching to the rear camera. Now let us solve this problem. Turn off the phone and remove the front camera. Take out the LB host and LB front camera cable to solve this problem. Install the LB cable to the host for testing. The display cable can input data, indicating that the cable is okay. Remove the cable and solder it later. Fix the front camera and remove the iron sheet. Use a sanding pen to sand this area apart. After polishing, use a hot air gun to heat the cable and slowly tear it apart. Remove the iron sheet from the surface. Continue to heat with the heat gun to remove the camera. Apply dust sticker. Continue to fix the camera and use a heat gun to heat and tear off the camera cable. Then use a scraper to clean the glue on the surface. After cleaning the glue, apply a layer of tin on the welding part. Take out the LB front camera cable, align it with the welding part and apply flux to weld it. After welding is completed, install the host for testing. If the display shows that data can be written, it means that the welding is successful. Then use the data cable to connect the host and the mobile phone. The host will automatically read the mobile phone data and show that the front camera has been unbound. We can directly write the data. Write successfully and install the front camera back to the phone. Connect phone to the computer and use the software to flash it. Wait for the flash to complete. After the flash is successful, we open the camera to see if the problem is solved. You can see that the screen will not get stuck when switching from the front camera movie effect mode to the rear camera. Repair completed. The demonstration ends here. Thank you for watching.